I still alive. But after that, when the problem coming, I was not happy to still alive.
Yan.
So if I have died, Linda, Julius, and Nini have get some money.
Nakawalang gani.
Yeah, they have get some money. But now I still alive, so now even they
Wala.
struggling.
Kamay mo yan,
So it's
tingnan
not
mo
good
yung
to
nails mo.
live. The safety first, and the family first.
Grabe ka magkakaroon yan.
It's not the safe, and it's not the family.
Hindi naman yan
Is it because I'm
masaya.
foreigner in this
Kukuha
country?
lang naman.
Or what?
Parang nag-shower libag dito.
Aray, ah.
Sakit?
Ipit ko lang ano yun.
Saan dito hanggang dyan?
I don't know the rules in it.
Pamaon.
Completely upside
Masukin.
down. In schools, they have mold.
May mga kapalit naman to eh.
Kayo ha?
You know what mold
Tingnan
is?
nyo.
Yeah, mold.
Beauty.
Yeah, mold. When you have water and then you start to the molding.
Color green.
Yes. Yeah, moss, like moss. That give you asthma. You know asthma? Yeah. But the government don't care about that, and there the kids sitting in the school.
Like crap.
Yes.
Because the in between of the
They don't understand. The kids get it, and how much they are in the hospital later, and how much that costs. Instead to help the people, instead. Very strange, yeah. There's a lot of things in the strange now. That is my absolutely stupid idea I have in my life. Go to Norway to start to work. Yeah. If I have work in Sweden and the accident have happened in Sweden, I don't have a problem now. Strange, huh? Yeah. Then you understand how much I love Norway.
not too much of it.
Completely. Voila.
Anong sabihin mo? You want to see the tattoo again?
Papa,
Yeah.
she wants to see the tattoo again.
Huh?
She wants to see the tattoo again.
Ay, nako. Ay, nako.
Pagbalik.
You are very nice. You take it.
Yung dito lang.
Papa, she's the one who have braces. Braces.
Yeah. Rubber band. Rubber band. In your braces, rubber band. Meron ka?
Bakit?
Tarantaduhan ni Papa. Sinaulo talaga. Kasi di ba meron siyang ano dito? Pantali. Di ba may rubber band sa labas?
Meron.
Iba yung rubber band ng Grace.
Magpapatuloy mo ba tayo?
Siyempre.
Talaga? Hindi na?
Ano ba ngayon?
Dahil tayo dahil.
Hindi, anong Wednesday?
Bakit?
Gusto niyo bukas na. Enjoy yung dad ni Linda eh.
Di ba?
Hanggang kailan pa naman yung Saturday?
Ang ingay namin kagabi.
Friday.
Ingay.
Konti na lang.
Ang obvious na mga mukha na pag-open ko, si Yusef.
Hindi, tulog. Nung ginising na ako ni Kevin nun talaga. Tulog talaga ako nun.
Talaga.
Hindi, gising talaga ako.
Si Roby, ang sarap matulog. Ang hirap pating gisingin.
Pero si Jolas, alam mo ba't kami natawa ni Kevin? Nagising lang kasi si Jolas nun. Tapos yung sinabi mo, Jolas, obvious ka. Diba, gumano ka?
Hindi. Gising si Jolas nun. Ganyan siya, yan ang mukha ni Jolas.
Hindi. Sir, kakagising yun yun.
Kailan?
Nung pagkapasok mo, nakagising lang yun. Kaya nga natawa kami ni Kevin nun eh. Ako
Sino
hindi
gising
mo
doon?
napansin, pero si Jolas yung...
Pansin na pansin kita, Yusef, the whole time. Ay, pag papasok ako, mukha mo, ang obvious. Yung mukha mo,
Pero mukha naman ng good boy pag natutulog.
Taka. Ay, Sino pa? Lahat kayo gisingan?
Hindi, kami na lang.
Si Kevin.
Thank you.
Gawa talaga si Kevin kagabi. Like, ginising ko siya.
Ako ba?
Buwan ko talaga.
My God, Douglas. Oh, dito. Who's that to? Ah.
Sino yun si, Daffy?
Or
Arnie
Anka.
Arnie Anka. Cartoons na.
Butterfly.
And here I want to have a high building falling in parts in both sides. And then one tunnel here, the jeep going in and out. Ouch.
May butterfly. Tapos may boat. Ship. Ang ganda.
Gusto ko yung ship.
Oh, nice yung ship.
Guys, patulong. Balik ko to sa place.
Saan?
Like this bedroom.
Yan?
Ay, kaya ko siguro to.
Kaya pala eh.
OA na. OA.
Amin.
Saan naman mabaho talaga? No.
Lagyan na lang natin dito. Ha? Ah, dito. Ay, dito pala to.
Baka kasi nagbigay ng English, yung parang nag-spell ng ganun. Di ba dati nangyari na yun?
Ano?
Kung kunyari may nagaganyan.
Oo.
Hindi. Sinasample ko. Sample.
No. Kaya nga. Yung ganun-ganun sa likod mo.
Di ba dati? Sino ba?
Mariel, I think. Tsaka si John.
John.
Aguilagod.
John Aguilagod.
Yung macho man na may tattoo dito.
Si John Prats.
John.
Prats. Sino?
Yung British.
Yeah. I have it.
Ay. Ako dapat.
He also have it.
Ako
He also have it.
Ako na. School.